Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the comprehensive and conclusive vocab guide by me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today we're doing CK intermediate words. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Calculate, garna karna. She needed to calculate the total cost of the project. Capable, sakcham. She is capable of solving complex problems. Cascade, झरना या गिरना. तो अगर संज्ञा है तो झरना और अगर वर्ब है, क्रिया है तो गिरना. Water cascaded down the rocks. अब यहाँ पे देखो ये एक verb है. The water cascade was very dangerous for the tourists there. The water cascade becomes a noun. All right. Career को career ही बोलते हैं. She is building a successful career in law. Career वाला का professional, जो भी आपका काम है उस काम में जो भी आपकी सक्षमता है, जितना भी आपने किया है उसको और आगे जो करेंगे अपना कमाई के लिए, उसको आपको career कहते हैं. That is what a career is. She is building a successful career in law. Caution, सतर्कता या चेतावनी देना. He warned them with great caution. Chilly, ठंडा. The evening air was chilly. Charismatic, having a special magnetic quality or charm, मतलब आकर्षक या प्रभावशाली. The leader was highly charismatic and loved by all. Compete, प्रतिस्पर्धा करना. Contest, why या प्रतियोगिता करना. The teams will compete for the championship. Capture, कैद करना. The police captured the suspect after a long chase. Comfort, आराम या आराम देना. She found comfort in her family's support. Conflict, संघर्ष. There was a conflict between the two countries over the border issue. Consequence, परिणाम. The consequence of not studying is poor grades. तो ना पढ़ने का परिणाम क्या है? खराब मार्क्स. Complicated, जटिल. The instructions were too complicated to follow. Collaborate, सहयोग करना. The two companies decided to collaborate on the new project. Curb, रोकना या नियंत्रण. The government has imposed measures to curb inflation. Cultivate, उगाना. They cultivate rice in this region. Credit, श्रेय या credit देना, श्रेय देना. She received credit for her hard work. Collapse, गिरना या पतन. The building collapsed after the earthquake. The collapse of the Harappan and Mohenjo-daro civilizations. Crucial, महत्वपूर्ण. The meeting was crucial to the success of the project. Contribute, योगदान देना. She contributed generously to the charity. Conclude, निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचना. The meeting concluded with a vote. Challenge, चुनौती या चुनौती देना. She accepted the challenge to complete the marathon. Command, आदेश या आदेश देना. He gave the command to start the operation. Create, उत्पन्न करना. They plan to create a new product line next year. Consecutive, अनुक्रमिक. They won 3 consecutive championships. एक के बाद एक, निरंतर, successive, सतत. एक के बाद एक आने वाली. Confuse, भ्रमित करना. The complex instructions confused the students. Clarity, the quality of being clear or easy to understand. Spashtata, the clarity of our explanation helped everyone understand the topic. Criticize, alochana karna. It's easy to criticize others but difficult to improve ourselves. Chamber, kaksh. The meeting was held in a large chamber. Collaboration, sahyog. The collaboration between the artists resulted in a beautiful painting. Circumstance, paristhiti. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the event was cancelled. Claim, दावा या दावा करना. He made a claim that he had seen the suspect. Classify, वर्गीकृत करना. The librarian classified the books by genre. Contemplate, ध्यान करना. She sat silently contemplating the next steps. Compose, रचना करना. He composed a beautiful piece of music. Conform, अनुरूप होना. He refused to conform to the school's rules. Capstone, शिखर पर जो पत्थर रखा है. Winning the championship was the capstone of his career. Satark, cautious. He was cautious when crossing the busy street. Contain, sametna. The box can contain all the books. Confess, स्वीकार करना. He confessed to the crime after being questioned. Concede, स्वीकार करना. After a long debate, he conceded the point. Critique, आलोचना या आलोचना करना. The critic was a detailed critique, wrote a detailed critique of the play. Complex, जटिल या परिसर. The instructions were too complex for me to understand. Us complex, they live in that complex. Sahas. She showed great courage in standing up for what she believed. Courage, sahas. Communicate. संप्रेषित करना, the manager communicated the new changes to the team. या संचारित करना या सूचित करना. Cuddle, गले लगाना, they cuddled on the couch while watching a movie. Counter, विरोध करना, she countered the accusation with solid proof. Compliment, प्रशंसा, प्रशंसा करना, she gave me a compliment on his new haircut. Calculation, गणना, the calculation of the final piece took a few minutes. Curiosity, jigyasa, a curiosity led her to explore many different subjects. And that's that for today. I will see you in the next one.